How to use multiple Instagram accounts in phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use multiple Instagram accounts in phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Using multiple Instagram accounts on your phone is very simple. You just have to open up the Instagram application. If you would like to use more than one account or two accounts at the same time, come to your profile page from the bottom of the screen here. Then just make sure to tap on this little profile username and the arrow button there. Then you'll find other profiles that you've added, and in my case you can see I've added another profile. So if I want to add one more, I can just tap on the add account button, tap on login to existing account, and I can simply go ahead and then log in. Now after I have added many accounts, to easily switch between those accounts I can just double tap the profile icon here to switch between those accounts, as you can see here. And this way I should be able to go ahead and then use multiple Instagram accounts in one phone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.